Hey guys, welcome back to my video channel. Welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today we are going to test out some Mexico products by Kylie. And I mean like Kylie Jenner, like Kylie Cosmetics. My parents recently took a trip there and my dad sent me a picture. I'll insert a picture, but like he saw this stand that had like Kylie products everywhere, like eyelashes, lip products, and they had like all kinds of colors, all kinds of style lashes. And he asked me if I wanted some. I was like, you know what? Yes, I can make a video out of it. And I'd be like, I'm just kind of interested in general. So he picked out some colors for me and he picked out a pair of eyelashes for me, and I'm gonna test them out and kind of just see how they go. I know these are not real. I know they're like fake wannabe Kylie products. Like I know that, but you never know what you could find. Now it's a little sketchy, I'm not gonna lie, because you don't know, like because it is a fake product, you really don't know what's in the product and what's gonna be going on my face. So I'm gonna go ahead though and test it anyways. So let's jump right in. First we have a pair of lashes, okay? These say 3D 26. I'm guessing that's how they identified the style of them. This is what they look like. Now these are actually really pretty. Mink 3D hair. On the back it says 100% human hair eyelash 3D. And literally all this is in Spanish. First of all, Kylie does not sell eyelashes, so these are already like pretty fake, you know what I mean? But they honestly look pretty good. They look pretty decent, and I'm gonna take them out and we're just gonna test them for the first time, like so. And the case is really sturdy. Here they are. All right, so, oh, okay. Right off the bat, the hairs themselves are really soft, but if you look closely, there's like glue like on the hairs, like right there. Oh, and this is super sticky. Really, like there's no way I can get all this stickiness off. Okay, let me put it against my face so that way you can like see. Okay, you see the shiny stuff? That's the glue. Look how thin this black band is, but then look how far the glue comes down into the eyelash. But they're so cute, so I don't understand. Like if that glue wasn't a problem, these probably would have been really good. Don't mind my eyeliner. I'm practicing. I don't ever wear eyeliner. I have hooded eyes, so it's really hard for me to do eyeliner, so ignore it, whatever. I'm gonna just put these on. They're probably too long. All right, I'm literally gonna cut the chunk on the end off. Here they are. These are actually super cute, really nice. I mean, as far as the glue goes, like the little sticky thing to like keep the lashes stuck to the packaging, that part is a little much. Like I might have cut too much off this end. You see how it looks more like fluffy over here than it does on this side? But I can always like even this one out. I was a little scared to like take my tweezers and then like clamp them together because of all the sticky stuff on it. I don't want my lashes to like get super stuck, and then when it comes to taking them off, I don't want them to rip my eyelashes out. But as long as I can find a way to get rid of a lot of that sticky stuff without ruining them, I think these will do good. These are really nice. We are going to move on to lipsticks. Okay, so I have 4. So we kind of have like a purpley pink and then a lighter version of this one. This one is a glitter or like a shimmer, metallic, whatever you want to call it. And then this is just like kind of like a orangey color, like a burnt orange. But I have ordered from her before. I've gotten lip kits from her before, and the quality of the packaging is definitely different. Hers are nice and like kind of heavy, and they feel not fancy, but they feel like better quality. These, the packaging is very, very similar. And if anything, looks just like hers, but it's like, they're light, you know, they're very light. And they're chipped, like the paint of the design on the packaging is a little chipped and it's not like super perfect, you know? And these two don't have the names on the bottom, but these two do. So this one says Cocoa K. Apparently this is Cocoa K. And it says matte liquid lipstick. This one says super gloss and it says glitz. Look at the different font. I'm gonna try them on and kind of like fast forward the video, like time lapse, because I don't want this video to be too long, and I'm just gonna swatch all of them, show you guys what they look like, and then I'll give you my final thoughts on them. So let's go ahead. Okay, so for the first one, this is Cocoa K. I do have a lip liner on, so I'm gonna test at least one of them on with a lip liner to see how it goes, and then the rest of them I'll have to like remove the lip liner. I'm not gonna reapply it every time. So here we go. So I am all done. This is the fourth and final lip product that I'm gonna be testing out, and this is the final product. Like I just got the eyelashes and then the 4 lips, and honestly, okay, this is still kind of drying. This color is so cool. This is pretty bright or strong or like super metallic looking, and it's really nice. The weird thing about these is the smell. Besides the like plastic feeling a little lightweight and kind of like not as good quality as like real Kylie cosmetics stuff, the smell is weird. It literally smells like lotion. Like, and they all smell the same. They literally all smell like body lotion. And it's not a bad thing because I mean, it smells good, but I don't know if I've ever come across a lipstick that has smelled like body lotion. I was more along the lines thinking it was gonna smell super like strong as far as like chemical wise. Like I thought they were gonna smell like paint or just some kind of strong chemical. So the fact that they smell like lotion was weird, but that's better than it smelling like poison on your lips, I guess. I could see myself using them like regular lip stuff. I actually think these are better than Shop Miss A lip products. I love that store, and if you know about that store, everything on their website and in store is literally $1. There might be some things that are like over $1, but pretty much the 99% of the store is $1 no matter what you get. And I've gotten some of their lip products where the colors are very, very pretty. You put it on and it's like super streaky, it's not opaque, or it just not, you know what I mean? Like, or it seeps into the cracks of your lips. Besides the smell, because it smells not even bad, it's just weird to me that it smells like body lotion. These are really nice. I could see myself still using these. Now, hopefully my lips don't fall off or break out or get irritated after making this video. Once I'm editing it, I'm pretty sure I'll know by then, so I will keep you guys updated on that. Because if my lips freak out because I tried these on, then obviously I'm not gonna be using them. But if everything turns out well, like my lips don't fall off, I would definitely keep on using these. And this one is fully dried, okay? Now keep in mind, I was rubbing the makeup off around my mouth as I was wiping each lipstick off, like every time. So it got a little messy, and it's very hard for me to like line my lips with a lippy because I'm used to drawing I'm used to adding lip liner before I put any kind of lipstick or lip gloss or anything like that, because it helps me to stay in the lines when I do add a lippy, or I just like to change the shape of my lips just a little bit because I don't like my top lip. So, and it looks kind of glittery, but you literally can't feel it. I cannot feel, like, this is not heavy on the lips whatsoever. This is literally not moving. This one was probably my favorite though. It doesn't even have a name, but it literally was the third one I tried, and it was more of like a burnt orange kind of color. That was literally my favorite one. And I love this one because it's different and it just adds like, bam. Like I could wear this with the makeup look I did today because it's not like clashing too much, if that makes sense. I don't know, I like them, and that is it for this video. I don't want to sit here with my mouth too long, so I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.